Still others find it a little bit harder to do because it's really difficult to figure out exactly how to shift your weight without falling backwards off the board. And by the way, as you can see, you really don't need a huge wave to catch a ride. Now here's a couple of tips that will help you get out to the wave a bit better. One of those days that there's a little chop in front of your wave, simply pick up your front foot and your board will ride right over top of it. Or if it's too big to glide over, hop it. Pump the board and you'll increase your chances of getting to any wave. Doing it is simply a matter of pumping your front foot up and down. Add a little sideways motion to the pump and down the line you'll go. Planing, or side sliding, will also help you get out to the wave fast. Here, simply turning the board sideways will get you out there. But squat down and you'll get a whole lot farther. All right, that's it for the basics of skimboarding. I hope you enjoyed watching the video and that it helped you out. If there's anything that you weren't clear on or anything that you need an answer to, by all means give me an email at greg@skimcity.com and I'll be happy to answer your questions. Looks like there's a couple of minutes left in the tape. Why don't we take a look at the Skim City crew in action? Thanks for watching.
Everybody in the party knows who we are. We gotta get down, dance well, floss your style. POD guarantee, make it worth your while. Bad vibes, leave them at the door. So checking out, wrecking, keep them begging for more. We came to rock the party all night long. From the left to the right, and the back to front. So party people want to sing that song. And come on, get one home. We came to rock the party all night long. And all the family, cause we know we got gold. And keep it locked till the break of dawn. I say, hey DJ, won't you play that song? And we'll keep dancing till the break of dawn. And keep it live like the way it should. And ain't nobody getting crazy, so you know it's all good. A B-boy thought girls one time. A friend of yours is a friend of mine. Don't bother stopping till this jam is through. Cause if you've been here before, then you know how we do. We came to rock the party all night long. From the left to the right, and the back to front. So party people want to sing that song. To all my people everywhere, everywhere. We came to rock the party all night long. And to my brothers, and to my sisters. So party people in soul.
That's pretty cool, we can use that.